Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to download and install Windows Ubuntu on VirtualBox. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL wubuntu.org. Then click on this download button. Click on this download link. Now download Windows Ubuntu operating system ISO file. Click here to download. I already have downloaded it on my machine. Now open VirtualBox. If you don't have installed VirtualBox on your system, you will find a link in video description how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Now I am going to create a new virtual machine for Windows Ubuntu and I am going to name it Windows Ubuntu. Then select ISO image. Click on this drop down list. Select others and select Windows Ubuntu ISO file. Open. Check this to escape unattended installation. Then click on next. Now increase the base memory size as much as possible. Then increase the virtual CPU count. Then click on next. Create a virtual hard disk now. You can increase this size. Click on next. Click on finish. Now open settings. Select display. Increase the video memory size. Maximize. Now select expert tab. Enable extended features. Then select display. Enable 3D acceleration and select graphics controller VMS VGA. Now click on OK and start the virtual machine. You can enable scaled mode. Okay, now install Windows Linux 11 LTS. Double click on this. Now select the language. Now select the region. Then click on next. Select keyboard layout. Click on next. Now select storage device and then select the partitioning system. I am going to select the first option to erase all disk and will create sub file and ext4 drive. Click on next. Now enter your full name and then enter the username and then enter the name of the computer. Now choose a password. Click on next. Now click on install button. Click on install now button. It may take a while for installing. That's it. Windows Linux has been installed. Check this box and click on done. Press any key from keyboard. Now enter the password to log into Windows Ubuntu. That's it. Now enjoy Windows Ubuntu. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.